Hey, this is Ryan with Gates Hyundai, and today we're checking out some of your most frequently asked questions. And today's question is, how do I set up and use my smart liftgate? To use the smart liftgate, the first thing we need to do is make sure it's on. So we're going to go to Settings and Vehicle, and then scroll down to where it says Door. And then from there, we'll scroll down to Smart Liftgate and make sure the blue check mark is on. It was off, now we're back on to make sure it's going to work. Then we lock the car and walk away. You have to get at least 15 feet away for this to work, and so I've sped this footage up. There I go. Here I come back. When you walk up with the key in your pocket, it'll beep 4 times, and then it'll open. You have those 4 beeps to step away if you don't want to open the back up. And with the key still in your pocket, you can utilize the keyless entry touch sensor on either of your front doors. Simply walk up, make sure your thumb hits that rectangle pictured here, and it'll unlock for you.